Let us start solving this math paper. First, just have a look on this paper. Of course, like you can likely start from number one, but it's not a board paper, right? So first one, yeah, it's a straight line and kind of questions. Okay, but it will take time. Okay, then I don't even have the ability to go into the schedules. Like it seems like handy because they've experienced as a little bit. So it's a not for advanced PY. This one is again not that difficult. Seems like, but it's a full limit. It's not some other. Okay. So it's like a communication because but super demonstrated from we about some there पर इतने भी कुछ समझ आएगा से डायरेक्ट से क्वेश्चंस नहीं दिख रही हैं and the first time or the only thing is we only always search for that question which we can solve without that much our brain right so and the best part is in this paper these two questions were like that remaining two are the but that we have to be very careful which one has to be first the first five questions first examination also there is a possibility if we can't even able to clear the cutoff something that's right let's start with this question accordingly we consider comfortable so let's read this problem relation of the differential equation and area under curve so first you have to first bit say and it's again not that much easy also so you have a dx equal to this particular like, well, variable step seems like right arrange so dy over minus 2 equal to integrate so I will write what ln of y minus 2 equal to square square y minus 2 minus 2x that is into square and that is k y is equal to 2 plus minus 2x square mentioned f0 is 2 right when f0 is put x equal to 0 so 2 is equal to isn't it when x is 0 write the k is equal to 0 you obtain the k equal to 0 then what it means y is always 2 function is come out to be constant f of x is right that is right fx is okay then it says the gx equal to this thing so in any option we come to any part we come to using the f of x but now we have f of x that is now it's given a g of x the g of x this maximum of this now we have to take to ln right so first what we need fx and gx and what is g gx is equal to maximum of 1 this is like what 1 plus fraction part x by 2 no? 1 fraction part of x by 2 comma sin x and comma the mod x minus 1 for to maximize to maximum functions out of them and in from 0 to itself so okay now just I think for sure this particular 1 plus fraction part x by 2 like this range is will be this belong to 0 to 1 right this range will be from 1 to this range will be from minus 1 to 2 like just observe when this from 0 to infinity one thing for sure this is always a minima right this, right so this is identical to maximum of what the 1 plus fraction part x by 2 x minus 1 so it always gives us the minimum value all in the interval isn't it? Yeah whatever that's it this I can use to take this particular step so now second thing is what second thing is what I can plot the graph of this particular so it says between the 0 and 2 which I would do between 0 and 2 so what I will do part simply part by 2 simply right we so at x equal to what This, so it is 1. That is important. So this is equal to 1. This is this 2. 1. We'll take the next. We have to take the maximum from this one. So what will this is the this is always greater than this particular value. Isn't it? Because between 0 and 2, this is always change from 0 to 1 value. Okay. Sure, thinking for sure. This particular value. So what I can write, this is identical graph of the this particular function will is what? Isn't it? Right. Now this question what it says, y is less than equal to f of x, y is less than equal to g of x, g over y equal to 2 itself. Right. So if I just draw the values together, fine. What I said, gx is simply over this function and like this. So that is simply two. So this is the y equal to, sorry, gx, yeah. And this is the, now what I will do, y is less than equal to f of x. So we'll take the, reason of that one. Y is less than this particular 0 and 2, of course, because my so the I think y should be less than 2, right? So this in this interval, y should be less than 2, right? So it should be like this. Compatible, y should be less between 0 and 2. But square is forming out. Now it is also, y is also good. Y is less, bigger than g of x. And gx is what this thing, to get up this, it should follow. So a triangle is formed there, isn't it? Because it's like x is between 0 and 2, y is less than 2. This square is, uh, sorry, not this one. Like it is bigger than this one. Otherwise it is going to minus. And it's between 0 and 2 and y is less than 2. But it says that it's bigger than this one. So it's only this particular thing spelling out. Isn't three of that one. So what I know, this length is 1. This particular length is 2. So what is the area? Area is 1 by 2 into this other right is 1 directly. So 3 number तो कम से कम आए, right? Now the area multiplied by the curve y equal to fx, y equal to hx, and which is hx? Hx is simply ln x. Hx is ln x. So I can find the area between the fx, hx, and the y axis. What is fx? Fx is simply 2, and ln x is this way. At x equal to 1, it is 0, and the y, this is the area, right? 0. And the point is, uh, the y equal to 2. And what is equal to? It's like y equal to ln x. Ln x equal to 2. So this point will be comma 0. I find the area 1. So this area, this figure, this particular and the y axis. Then I will write this one 0 to like mod ln x dx, right? Because this particular area will come out to be negative. Sure. The mod out there. Yes, I have from this. Like so I will draw simply. This is a this is simply and this one is, and subtract from this is rectangle, right? So plus I can do this method directly. One integrate y equal to 2 ln x ln x 1 t square. This direction. So divide our area. And if I know this the integration of this x ln x minus x from 0 to 1. Ln 1 minus 1 minus 0 minus 0. So ln 1 0. It's coming to minus come out is 1. So 1 plus this one is 2 into e square minus 1 minus 1 to e square ln x ln x. We'll write as x ln minus 1 e square ln 3 plus 2 e square plus e square ln e square minus e square minus 1 ln 1 minus. So it is like 2e square and again minus equals 3e square minus plus. So 2 plus 3e square. That's the shit of this. EVS not like that, no? I've done this mistake. Take it fast. Oh shit. Here it is negative. Square e square minus e square minus 4. Right. Fine. So answer of this part is e square. विषय नंबर 2 आ गया भाई at least. Fine. Okay. So what it says f double minus we have to put x is greater than equal to 0. F x is x minus and 0. So what I can say, I just multiply. Just observe this thing. It's like so. It's like that will do that system. Next time I mean not the second question to side. It's all like that side solve this question. So I don't think so in this paper like any which was we have to think about. So that's just very easy question. Like this one is, seems like easy. This one is again okay. Fine, let us do one by one. Fine. Also, seems like difficult for us also. You know, fine. This one is have to limit on the integration. Okay. And GX is that particular very good expression. So let's try to simplify this 12 sine square sine square into cos b, right? Plus sine square 1 plus cos 2x cos 2x plus 3 cos 4x minus 2 cos 2x 1 cos x upon 3 plus x upon 3 plus 12 m square 1 plus cos 2 plus 3 cos square x minus 2 cos 2. So thank you. So this will be 2 cos square x divided by plus so this one is 3 cos. If I just try to break this thing, so this one is 6 into 4 times cos square, no? Divided by 3 plus 6 into sine square 2. Second, write as 3 into 1 minus, in terms of sine square, I will, in terms of cos 2x, I will convert square 2x. Okay. Comfortable. 2x. You just observe. Like the 4 cos x divided by 3 plus 6 sine square 2x. It's like a quite big achievement because they got club. Reason for minus 3 also I have. I mean minus 3 cancel. Now we have 6 cos divided. This one is 6 minus 2 cos. So again this will cancel. Now I have 3 cos x upon 3 minus cos 2. This is our gx out there. Then I will just simply what? I will write the cos 2 as 1 plus 2 square. So this minus 2 cos x divided 3 minus 1 minus 2 sin square. Fine. So this I will write this 2 cos x divided 2 plus 2 sin square. तो वो फंक्शन तो पता ही नहीं क्या लिखा हुआ था, ये तो काफी सिंपल है ना। और इसको इंटीग्रेट करना तो हमारा सपना होता है राइट। एफ एक्स इक्वल टू व्हाट 0 टू टी 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 cos x upon dimension like simplifying this and getting of vectors. That is not level, isn't it? Okay. I see. You must take ensure you are the using the best systems. So it's not these are not difficult. Then okay, this takes let's first integrate this one. Take sin t is what you do. Just keep in, always keep in mind, advanced is not difficult. It's a definite examination. It's check your patience of are you patient sufficient and because after single question, are you like yes, capable to just start with the function? You start it, isn't it? Let's decide. That is also given, right? When you can d by 1 plus u square tan inverse sin x. And this is something I can't even teach without like without solving the paper. Then well, question then what is question paper like the whole questions are there. So what I'll put the this also matters. Then I just inverse sin x. Got it? Next one. First of all, this question. Let's move next. So fx equal to tan x sin x. Now read the first up. Yeah. To take it from 0 to 1, right? Fine. So do you remember the expansion of the tan inverse x? What is the expansion of tan inverse x? You know the expansion of tan inverse x? You know the how we can derive as well. Like, we can find it as well. See, tan inverse x is equal to minus 3.555 percent or 7. And so what I know when x is between 0 and 1, they are positive, right? Because sine graph, if you just plot in between, it is a radian, like it's not in pivot. So it's like growth. I will write, I will simply write the tan inverse will be equal to sin x minus sin t power 5x over 5. Right? Sin over sin. Can you just observe? Can you just observe? If I will drop there, so what I mean, then what sign I should put there? If I drop just there, after subtracting some term, right? I'm getting equal to this thing. Isn't it? This thing. So after subtracting, I'm getting equal to this thing. So if I will drop there, what it means, which is bigger? इसमें से कुछ घटाने के बाद, कुछ पॉजिटिव घटाने के बाद, राइट? बिकॉज ये इसके इक्वल आ रहा है, तो अगर मैंने यहीं पे छोड़ दिया, तो कौन बड़ा? ये बड़ा होना चाहिए। ये तो घटाने के बाद बराबर आ रहा है, इसमें करके साइंस कंफर्टेबल नोट है सर। कैन साइंस like this thing also we discussed earlier as well. आप ऐसे टॉप टर्म्स करते हैं वो अप्रोच राइट श्योर to discuss no in different then you have to integrate from what let's integrate both sides of I hope you are enjoying right and what I know sin x is it is bigger it's bigger no so this I can write replace all sin x with it find that you by 3.5 over. So then I will write as what? So it's 1 by plus 1 by plus 1 by 2. Take the LCM. Take this one. So 5 by 12 plus 1 by 30. I hope it's correct. Then I will write as what? Take the assembly what? 60 I guess. Right. So 25 plus what? 27 by 60. So 9 by 30. 3 into 20. So 9 by 20. Comfortable? Exact match, isn't it? So it means what? We just decoded the author's mind, isn't it? The same, not, isn't it? Because if it was go the same way, then we got some different constant values. But you know what I'm saying? Okay, fine. Let's just second part we can solve it. This Effect x is of tan inverse sin x. Tan inverse sin x right there. So what I will do? I will simply write the fh minus. So this particular limit will exist. F0 is simply zero, right? So fx is what? Hello. समझ आ रहा है ना क्या हो रहा है? Sin over and t power alpha. Limit tends to zero. This particular limit exists, right? So in the question, this particular limit exists. If I just use the expansion, then expansion is what? Sin h. What is expansion? Uh, actually, it's alpha k power 5, okay? Sin h minus sin h by sin h raised to the power 5 over 5, isn't it? So what is k bar? But I know if alpha is, let's say, greater than 1, then what it sin over n into some different power, like 1 branch power something, with positive, isn't it? And this will like 1 by 0 is infinity. It will be infinity, isn't it? That's infinity. It like but when I will take the only when I will take the alpha equal to this, so this thing will become 1 and remaining also will become 0, isn't it? Take alpha equal to 1. So this one will be sin. So sin will become 1 into sin square will then it become exactly equal to 1, isn't it? So it's just alpha equal to for which this is, isn't it? Please correct. There is this information measurement to this. But often this is correctly fine, isn't it? I mean see. Now another thing. So it's just the it is increasing integral term. So this differentiate this function. So we have what? 1 1 plus sin cos x, right? When the is the cos x positive in this interval now? Just to check. Right. Oh, pi by 2. Pi by 2. 5 pi by 2. So in this interval it is positive, right? Increase. Okay. So we obtain the 6 with 9 marks, right? And after solving this marks out of 6, isn't it? This paper set of beta. Of course, we have time left. It's not like we are solving of the past 1 hour 3 questions. But we have to pull some confidence. For any beta belongs to 0 to 4, the x equal to beta. First value from 0 to 4, it is equal to our sin x value. And beta is somewhat value, okay? This sin should have what? Some value equal to us, right? Sin should have, because when it is 0 to like less than 4, isn't it? That's what it is. Sin should be, because I can take tan both sides, because function is increasing. And with an increasing function, right? Sin 1 by root. So, and at some value I have, which is less than 1 by root 2. Let us take 30 degree, like 1 by 2. Then let's take 30 degree. So we have to solve the sin by 2. By 2. Right. So what I after solve, I have sin equal to 1 by 2. 0 to 1 by 2. Isn't it? So take 0 to by, then I will obtain what? Two solutions, right? For n equal to 1, I am getting two solutions. I will take the, then again I will get four solutions. Then what it means, for n equal to 1, we are getting the two solution, 2, we are getting four solution. We will get we'll get two solution, no, for right, two solution. So it's also correct. What it means, all correct. सारे सही है भाई, सारे सही. Right? I hope you enjoyed, right?